Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize and manage your club notifications for the clubs you have joined on chess.com. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to chess.com in the first step, and in the next step log into your account, and after that click into your profile name at the bottom left to access your player profile here. From there navigate to clubs, and from that tab scroll down and select the club you would like to customize. Next, here inside your club overview, click into My Settings to the right, and from here simply go through that list to toggle on or off the notification you would like to keep or disable for your club. It's not notifications for your entire player account in general here on chess.com, but only for club notifications, like for example when someone has posted something new in your club forum, or when there is an upcoming chess event, or when a new match begins, and so on and so forth. So simply toggle these on or off, save that by clicking into this button, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.